Welcome to Radio Tech Channel.
Today we are going to talk about how to connect a story building. In this connection, we are going to connect two distribution board, 3-phase distribution board, two 3-phase Gearswitch, and one 3-phase changeover switch. So let's dive into this connection. What you are seeing on your screen right here is utility power supply. So 3-phase meter, we are making use of 3-phase meter, and here is 3-phase Gearswitch. So there are two, and when this cut out, they are for neutral connections. And right here is 3-phase distribution board. You can see that there are two, one for ground floor, the other one for first floor. So because this first floor want to be making use of generator, that's why we are going to add 3-phase changeover switch to this connection. And up here is the generator that will only be serving this first floor alone, while this ground floor is making use of utility power supply alone. So let's connect this. Let's do this connection. What we are going to do is the output of this meter, we are going to connect it to this Gearswitch. And how is it going to happen? We are going to loop these two Gearswitches together and then power it with the output of meter. So let's do that. And please, I need to make this correction. The reason why I do it this way is because I cannot shift this Gearswitch to this side properly, because the wire that is coming from this meter supposed to go to this cutout directly, not like you will now join it. It will go straight to the cutout, and then from this cutout you now connect another wire to that connector and loop it to this other one. That's how the looping is supposed to be done properly. Please don't connect it this way. So let's connect the yellow phase, and then we are connecting the blue phase, and we are connecting the neutral. Now we are through with the outputs of the meter to the inputs of the Gearswitch. So we are going to connect this ground floor, since it's just straight connection. So we are connecting the output of this first Gearswitch to the input of the main breaker of the distribution board. So let's do that. First we are going to connect the red phase, followed by yellow phase, followed by blue phase, and then neutral. Now we are through with this ground floor. We don't have anything to do with this ground floor again. Now first floor now. So output of this second Gearswitch is not going straight to the main breaker, it's going straight to the first inputs of 3-phase changeover switch. And 3-phase has 3 terminals. It has 3 inputs and 1 output. So the first input, we are going to use it for utility, while the second input we are going to use it for generator, while the output will serve our load, which is the distribution board. So let's do the connection. We are connecting the red phase, followed by yellow phase, followed by blue phase, and then neutral. So after that we want to connect the generator side, red phase, yellow phase, blue phase, and neutral. Now we want to connect the load, but if we check it where our load is going to come out from, you will see that here, right here, there is a copper that connects the first input and the second input together. So that's what is going to serve our load, which is this distribution board. So and you can see that it's not only here, we have another one here, we have another one for the blue phase, another one for the neutral also. So let's do the connection. So we are connecting the red phase, followed by yellow phase, followed by blue phase, followed by neutral. Now we are through with our connection. So one thing I want you to see is, let's see how this connection will look like when we are on utility and when there is generator, when the first floor is on generator. And we have two videos that I will recommend based on this video for you to properly understand this connection very well. First one is how to connect 3-phase changeover switch. Watch our video on that. I will drop the link below the comment section. And the second one is how to connect a story building with 2 Gearswitch. Watch that video also. It will make this connection very easier for you to understand. So let's see how this connection will look like when we are on utility supply. You can see that the power is on. The 2 bulbs for this distribution board, they were on. And if you check this place properly, you will see that there is a connection that connects the load and the utility together. You can see all the 4 terminals were connected together. So let's see how it's going to look like when we switch to generator. You can see first thing is down here there is no light because they are only on utility power supply, while up here there is light. And if you check the changeover switch, you will see that the changeover switch was connected to the load side and the generator side. Check it very well. You will see that that's how the connection is being connected. Please go and watch my video on how to connect 3-phase changeover switch. You will understand, because I explain in details how changeover switch work. So thank you for watching this video. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.